Um, Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Lojani Senkunku, the first Doctor of Philosophy in International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy in the whole world. I'm the United Nations International Attorney, expert and diplomat in petroleum, minerals and energy. Lura Pachita. I'm also elected Secretary General of United Nations. We are here in Geneva, the headquarters of United Nations, and it's my great pleasure, my honor to address you again. Today we are September 1st, 2021. September 1st, 2021. And it's my great honor to address you again. I will start to thank all the people are supporting this change. There is a global movement with the deep state, with 30, 100, 300 or 360 committee. They are killing people around the world. They try to threaten you. You cannot sell your good without them. You cannot speak without them, even if the international community, all constitutions, national constitution, international law give you the right of freedom of speech, freedom of media, freedom of circulation, but they are imposing you without respecting the law. They are imposing you don't speak, keep silent. So the media should not show the truth about the massacre they did in Afghanistan if I didn't talk about it. So we are not going to let people, to tell us to shut up when the life of people is in danger. We cannot remain silent. If I didn't talk about the problem of Afghanistan, you see by yourself how they send the body of Marines, innocent Marines. They send the body came back to America, and we let the Justice of America, who are not the President of America right now, who are not the Chief Justice. So we let the Justice to look for accountability of Marines heroes fell in Afghanistan. My job is to fight for the Charter of United Nations, is to fight for we people around the world. If an individual, small number, with the money, they cannot shut the law. They cannot tell you don't speak, because if your silence make Americans die in Afghanistan. Your silence make we people around the world are dying right now in Africa, in Europe, and everywhere. In Latin America, the lockdown in Latin America, no one will know how people are dying there. How many people die at the border between Mexico and the US. So, and you cannot tell professor of law have a weapon of speaking, because speaking it's what we use, what God used to create the world. Speaking is what the professor used to teach the student. Speaking is what the diplomat used to negotiate, okay? To negotiate. We cannot allow these people to win, the devil to win. We cannot allow the confiscation of our liberty. So I will also call your attention, in Africa, when white people come to Africa, we don't put in their house and everything, we don't impose to put a camera everywhere to watch them. But they put camera in my room in hotel. Okay, they put camera to check my privacy. So please, I never cheat on my wife. I never don't, and they're using this picture to manufacture the video that because they occupy all TV, so, and they are spending a lot of money for that. Don't believe to this video. You can take me naked because you can get it by camera. You put it in the BAM, under the BAM. I check it, I saw it, but it's not my hotel. I cannot remove it. It's also, they can put it in drone. You can take it, okay? But there is the law protect the privacy, so they don't respect this law. That's why I'm going to New York to respect. You cannot use the photo for people you take illegally. I have a power to take any photo everywhere. I have power even if to get the photo for money they have in the bank here. I have a power. I have a network, petroleum network. But I don't publicize this photo. I have a power to get Obama's photo everywhere he's going, or his people, his master. But I don't publicize because eagle cannot get down, to join the mediocrity. When you're eagle, you remain in altitude. You cannot be savage. Okay, I cannot do that. So that about the vidéo, they can manufacture. Ne croyez pas à des vidéos parce qu'ils ont mis la caméra dans ma chambre d'hôtel. Que j'ai vu dans l'ampoule même. Il y en a à l'intérieur. Donc j'ai détecté ça parce que je suis expert des Nations Unies en matière d'électronique, en matière et tout ça. Donc on n'est pas expert par hasard. Il faut avoir un niveau élevé des connaissances. Donc ce que je dis, je ne peux pas, en tant qu'aigle, je ne peux pas perdre l'altitude pour joindre les sauvages. Je ne peux pas, parce qu'ils sont aussi en train de mettre dans ma nourriture des substances chimiques. Ok, des substances chimiques, parce que il y a un plan caché. Quand ils disent 4 pattes, ça veut dire ils veulent faire de moi comme Mandela. Donc quand tu contestes le système, on te colle le nombre 28. Donc Mandela qui a passé 27 ans en prison, 28. Donc quand tu te sors de là, tu ne peux plus marcher. Vous avez vu Gbagbo. Vous avez vu Gbagbo. You see Gbagbo, you see I'm not Mandela. I'm international attorney in petroleum, minerals and energy of United Nations. I'm a diplomat. I'm elected Secretary General of United Nations. That I'm not Freemasonry. I can call people to repeat with me. Today, September 1st, 2021, when you go in your mirror, say that Professor Nkunku, repeat after me, Freemasonry is a criminal organization. Repeat that. Freemasonry, Professor Nkunku said, Freemasonry is a criminal organization. Okay? I can be trapped. Okay? I'm a Catholic. If I go to pray somewhere, I look somewhere to pray because outside there is noisy and everything. But I can choose the church to go to meditate, to meet God. But this church was built by Freemasonry. So they will say that this is, oh no, he's with us. They are putting in my video number 4, number, pink and everything. I'm not Freemason. Okay, here there is a lake, the Lac Léman. When I was student in 1994, I used to go to Lac Léman, and yeah. But when a friend invited me there, the bateau, they said no, he's a Freemason. Today is Wednesday. They call all Freemasonry, but me, I went to hear, to listen, because the leader, you should listen to people. You should listen to their story. I want to listen. The people are suffering. I hear many stories. Someone from Georgia, they try to kill in secret. She has money, a lot of money. They confiscate her money. She's a woman from Georgia. Around Russia. So I listened the story for people of Belarus. There, how they are suffering. They put them in jail. No one speak. I listened the problem of Crimea, Ukraine. In Ukraine is a terrible situation there. Okay, so if you see the photo, the video they take, don't believe. They can take my naked. I don't care. The day I lose my mother, I don't care. I don't have anything to lose. But I will knock you down. I will knock you down, because you cannot impose. You cannot impose to me, to my family, and to everybody that we should not. You wronged us. We have to keep silence. No. International attorney will stand. I'm the guardian of the Charter of United Nations, guarantee all public liberties. So I cannot allow you to put a vaccine. I remember that you came to Kenya. You came to lie. There is a polio there, but the vaccine you bring there is to kill, to sterilize women of Kenya. They could not have a baby. I remember we went to Liberia to bring the virus of Ebola. Okay, you lie, it was just a polio, but it was the virus of Ebola to kill. The virus of Zika. Okay, I'm professor of virus and HIV and head. I taught it in the Catholic University. We cannot allow you to do the same. When I came, I make a mistake. You put me a vaccine. I was believing that I should not, I should be protected. But the vaccine you are putting, even if the vaccine, the COVAX out, there is a substance there. I study very well this. I get one. I study very well. I saw that there is a system of castration. When you are putting this vaccine, there is a system, because castration, you can put it, you can make a surgery, or you can put a vaccine will go to make a castration. You cannot have a baby. That evil, that the devil. Okay, if George Soros cannot have a baby, or if the other one cannot have a baby, why you don't go to hell alone? Why you have to impose? Young people have the future. To impose to them not having a baby, or vaccine obligatoire, or mandatory of vaccine. So we are not going to accept that. That's why we stand to fight. I'm going to New York to bring back order. And I'm not the past Secretary General. I'm not Antonio Guterres you are playing. Okay? Today he fight with us, but in the back we'll say no, we have to fight against climate change, against the change. I'm not hypocrite. We need a change. We need a change. You cannot come like that. You put a vaccine, people will not have a baby. You separate family. and we will look you for like that. Okay, we study the case of Bill Gates. You force Bill Gates to get in dirty things. You force Bill Gates. Bill Gates have freedom to refuse. But when he refused, you went to manufacture the divorce with his wife, Melinda. And Melinda have to be French. Now you're calling Melinda French. I'm not French. I'm not against the French. I was welcomed by the MEDEF, the big, the business decision making by France as international expert of United Nations, petroleum, minerals, and energy. The representative of National Institute of Petroleum of France were there. So it's official. It's official. This title, they welcome me in the UK, they welcome me. So all the government, France, UK, Germany, they know that they welcome me to this title. And no one is a law about it. No law, no power can remove it because it's a special statute. So I saw the case also for Black America, how you were putting them many substances, they become fat, very fat. So they can even if think, they can even if walk. So they have to spend money to go to gym to lose weight. But you were doing it in the purpose, and we never will allow that again. Black Americans suffer a lot. So Black Americans suffer. And when Freemasonry came, it's worse. It's worse. So we are not going to allow also you to treat the President Trump like that. You cannot, when he's still in the power, you cannot close his Twitter account. It's a savage. It's a savage. You don't respect the American Constitution. You don't respect international law. So we are not going to respect your law too. In the situation of Michael Jackson, he dances, he has a talent, but you sell his property. You kill him and you sell his property, 22 million. And you didn't give anything to family. So her sister have to run to go to get married with Arab in where I was, maybe in Qatar or somewhere. Naomi Campbell ran away to Russia. That all these files we have to repair. We have to repair that. We have to stop that. So for what I'm doing, you are putting poison there. I know all files where they are studying in Switzerland. They said that I will be crowing, because there is a medicine you are making to make me crow. So this is a rebel. So 28. So you will bring me. You will give me a power. Like Mandela. So he could not work himself. That never will be to me. I'm not Mandela. And also, if your medicine you put to me and all poison is there, but Dr. Martin Luther King teach us, if you can walk, then crow. If you can walk, then crow. So he knows that they put crow black people. They put crow black people. If you can walk, crow. So you are seeing the secret services are passing around. You are seeing the secret services is passing around. I don't care. I don't pay attention, but I see the car and everything. So if there are Freemasonry, they are not with me. But if there are good people are supporting this change, that Antonio Guterres, the Pope Francis, Elizabeth stand for, if they are good people, they can pass, no problem. But if they are Freemasonry, don't pay attention. We never will be Freemason. So that the problem we have to sort out. We never will allow you to die in secret. They threaten you. We never will allow. You cannot kill 7 billion people are looking freedom. You cannot. You cannot. 7 billion people are looking freedom. So we are not stupid to see that Bill Gates, you threaten Bill Gates. So Melinda, separate, divorce, you are not allowed to interfere in the marriage, private marriage, like you enter in my life to separate me, force separation with my wife. My wife will remain Bongisa Munzilikazi Nkungu. You go up, you say that you married her in Freemasonry. No, this marriage is not valid because our marriage was international marriage. She's from Commonwealth. I'm from Romanist, Germano-Romanist law, and she was a nun, so there is a canon law. So no one can make a solution for this kind of marriage. And it's sealed by God, the marriage of God, because she gave me a Bible. It's the first woman in my life give me a Bible in the sign of our alliance. So it's sealed in the heaven, it's sealed. Wrapping her, wronging her, that's the change anything. The marriage is in the soul. Okay? My wife, I never will betray God to cheat. I never will betray myself. I said I will wait. If you don't wait, I will see you only when we meet. I know the truth about those who were coming there, what we face, so that I can decide for. We will decide both. Okay. For now, I don't want intermediate. Meghan and Harry was making intermediate you to speak. No, when we meet, we didn't have that. They make Gbagbo and Madame Gbagbo Yvette Simone to be intermediate. No. We didn't need money for Freemasonry criminal organization because we planned. When we finished the school, I'm professor of all Catholic university.